klan shushu ya katanat pulit kidan sa langun ki pulit langrut ki badai jong ka 9 batch ki bla Pyndep ya ka jingshah hikai penteben hakakam ki tegi khat langut ki dei constable but follower ki bana gora grey headquarter but maulong first MLP battalion headquarter ya ki tegi khat langut dapan bam smai da ka kong CA lingwa DIG police training school an armed force Nongsohpuan 4th MLP battalion headquarter West Khasi Hills mentak arpsau terik risau arhaja arpsau hakasingi penbam smai le don lang da urupam marak commandant ka 4th MLP battalion uba Bikram di Marak superintendent of police West Khasi Hills uba Garrett LSN Dates Deputy Commissioner ke West Khasi Hills ki he pulit ke jela bat ki kemi ki kpa jong ki pulit ki badang shu Pyndep ya ki jingshah pentebet ringkat ki ru rang ba jong ka Nongsohpuan.
And SA Marak and other officers from police headquarters from southwest Khasi Hills of the western region of Meghalaya. It gives me great pleasure to stand here today on this passing out parade. Let me be very, very clear from the very beginning. Whether a group of 5 contingents or a group of 1 contingent, people and recruit constables who join will always have to undergo the same kind of training, the same kind of drill, the same kind of teaching. And that is the reason that we decided from police headquarters, Director General of Police was very keen that this passing out parade should take place. The boys who have passed out today have to display their capability in the marching, in the salute. We take a man from the street, literally from the background that they have come out, who are just normal civilians. And in the 9 months that of training that is being conducted in our training center, we turn them into the most perfect policemen and women. And for that, I will congratulate the commandant, the assistant commandant training, though I heard that Moksha is wearing a lot of hats, but still one of the hats, which is the training hat, he has done a very successful job. I also congratulate the trainees who have excelled themselves in this 9 months of rigorous training. My request is that you have maintained such good discipline, you have kept yourself fit, you look very fit. Please continue to be in this state of fitness. In the police, all of us have to be, we have to keep fit. I try to keep fit. I try to keep fit because as long as I'm wearing this khaki, I want to look fit. And I should not overlook, because fitness and health is the key factor to become a good policeman and a good policewoman. Because the requirement of the state in any situation, whether it's law and order, whether it's controlling traffic in the street, whether it's any other program, the police will always be called for service, and that kind of discipline that you have learned here, you should continue to learn the same discipline. I also wish to thank the parents of the trainees who have come here to witness the children. I am sure that you will feel proud of this special day, of the trainees who have been away from their homes, and for the reason that they have been away from their homes for 9 months, the department has made it a rule that they will be given at least a week, 7 days, 7 days. Nyos ni ay lat ya ki kon ki kiti jampi bakin wan si yeng bakin song sipor but ki kime ki pa hayeng le jong namar balai ba kilado kon mentak ndai banai te wat kwa tam yak tak nyos ni tek tak nyos ni namar ki bon ki kam ki jam bade ban trai apo ka jing trai kwa sakmat jogi kane kadang dai tang ka training dai ka jing trai sakmat kane ka babon but kane kadang dai tang kapasdang haka kampulet ka bakitray bagi te gakerpa di kimi kpa laban pilaban do bandai bandau nyos ni palat nata kila dai dia kikon jongi wah da. At the same time, I thank all the guests who have attended the parade today. I thank the 4th Battalion instructors. Whether you train whether you train 5 platoons, 10 platoons, or you train 2 sections, but training is the same, and the same seriousness you have given to the training of the last batch that passed out, you have given the same dedication. Thank you once again, and thank you, Commandant 4th Battalion, for preparing such a beautiful setup. Your field looks exactly like the same, and I'm sure it will be etched in the memories of the trainees. Thank you, officers of 4th Battalion and all officers who have attended today. I wish you all the best in the future. Thank you.